Question number 12. Okay, let me, yeah. A transverse wave on a rope has a wavelength lambda and a period t. Okay, the graph shows a variation in displacement of the particle of the rope with distance. Okay, particle x is labeled. Particle x is labeled. Which graph shows a variation of the displacement of the particle x with time t? Okay, now there are 4 graphs shown over here. So this is something like you have a wave going, and what you do is you take a snapshot of it and you got a wave there, right? Now what you need to do is you need to identify as the wave moves like this. So what will happen to the x over here? Okay, which graph will denote that one? So towards it, what you do? So let us consider it something like this. When a wave goes away from here, then you can say that this wave, the next wave will start from here, right? Next wave. So this is the peak. The next wave will start from here, and this will go like this. This will go like this over here. You go like this, and the peak would be seen here. Peak would be seen here, and this is how it goes like this. Then the third wave. Okay, so this is your second wave. The third wave would have gone from here. Would have gone from here. Would have gone like this. It would have crossed this once again. It would have crossed the second one also here, and it would have gone like this over here. Gone like this over here. Now what happens to point x? Point x initially is at this point. Now when this wave arrives over here, now you see, drop a perpendicular, point x is at this point. When this wave comes here, this wave is come, it is at this point. Which means what? At every moment, the point x is going down like this, right? Now you see, which of this displacement can be there? This cannot be the right answer. This also cannot be the right answer because point x is going upwards here. Point x is at the 0 point over here. This is also not cause. Now here what's happening here is that, okay, point x is now trying to go downwards over here. So here point x is already going upwards over here. So here point x is again going upwards over here. So point x starts from 0 and it is going downwards over here. So C should be the right answer. D, what happens over here? Point x at t equal to 0 is already at the maximum level, which is the negative value. Is it seen there? No. Okay. So point x is at this point. From this point only, okay, it goes here for one instant, then it goes here, vibrations like this, then it becomes like this, then it becomes like this, then it becomes like this, and so on. So as a result of it, if I take all these points and draw it, I get a smooth profile like this over here, right? So this smooth profile is what is being shown over here, and as a result of it, the correct answer should be C over here. Okay.